Hello everyone, my name is Alucia. I am 14 years old and a former student of BBP Lay Unitech Library. My journey with BBP began in 2013 when I was just 3 years old at BBP UPNG in Port Moresby. There I learned the basics of reading and writing. In 2014, when my family moved to Lay, I was enrolled at BBP Unitech. I had the privilege of being taught by teacher Judith and teacher Dorcas, who helped me develop my reading skills by blending letters and learning to read fluently. In 2015, I graduated with a certificate and a referral letter to a mainstream school. In 2016, I started elementary prep at Lay Adventist Primary School. Because of the strong foundation I received at BBP, I was able to read, understand, and comprehend all my subjects with ease. Throughout my elementary and primary school years, I achieved excellent grades and received awards in all subject areas. Currently, I am in grade 9 at Bumayong Lutheran Secondary School, and my dream is to study computer science at the university. BBP played a significant role in shaping my academic journey, and I strongly recommend it as the best early childhood learning center. Thank you.